Hi, my name is Noel and I'm sales executive for Mega Digital. Welcome to our series about TikTok today. Are you having a trouble like this? All your ads being stopped and you cannot reach or manage any new ads? Or you are unable to deposit money into your account or withdraw any funds? In this case, your TikTok ad account has been suspended. But don't worry, we will guide you step by step how to fix this situation. So make sure you watch the whole video to not skip any useful information for your TikTok ads account. Besides receiving a message, there are some signs showing that your TikTok ads are suspended. First, you will see a status on the campaign list that says advertiser account is punished. Second, you won't be able to create new advertisements or modify existing ones. I'll show you an error message if you attempt to change anything. And the third one, you cannot match any payments toward your ads campaign. To be more sure about your account status, you can check in the TikTok Ads Manager. Try to access your Ads Manager dashboard. If you cannot open the dashboard and there's a message saying that your account is currently suspended, well, you know that means. Now I will show you steps of how to unsuspend your TikTok Ads account. Step 1. Access to your TikTok Ads Manager. Step 2. On the upper right side of the dashboard, click on question mark and select Customer Support. Step 3. Click on Account Review to see the options. Step number 4. Click on the Ads Account Suspension Appeal. And Step 5. Fill in the required information and then submit to appeal your suspension. Then the user will receive a response to the appeal within a few business days. Make sure to submit your appeal ticket as soon as possible because TikTok does not evaluate appeals filed in 180 days after suspending the account, but might extend the time limit in certain exceptional circumstances. To avoid any future suspension, you can use a TikTok Ads agency account. This style of ads account is authorized by TikTok's official partners and has a layer of verification from TikTok, allowing your ads to reach more than 55 countries over the world. And at Mega Digital, one of TikTok's top 10 partners in Southeast Asia with multiple global clients, we offer a distinctive function called Allocated Unspent Balance. Additionally, we can quickly transfer the remaining budget from your suspended account to a new one thanks to our direct TikTok management, allowing you to carry on with your campaign without interruption or needless appeals. That's all for today's video. In case you are interested in TikTok agency ads account, we already attached a link which help you detailedly in the description below. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And if you have any TikTok issue that you wanted to explain in the upcoming video, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.